We stayed at the Lucerne after getting married in Central Park. The hotel is beautiful and affordable for the comfortable beds and nice rooms. The staff was helpful and friendly, and the restaurant is unbelievable. It was truly romantic and memorable and magical. The staff couldn't stop congratulating us and surprised us by upgrading us to a suite for the night. I can't wait to go back. Hotel is well located, if you like the upper side of the town. Near the Metropolitan, Natural History Museum, MoMA, Lincoln Center and Central Park. People who attend the hotel are very courteous, the rooms are very well cared and clean. The business center is modest as so the fitness center. The restaurant La Nice Maiden is very charming and gives a good feeling of the hotel. The Lucerne is one of the nicest hotels we have stayed at in NYC. It is within walking distance to many sites on the Upper West Side. The rooms were very clean, temperature comfortable, great water pressure, prompt service with smiles, and of good size considering you are in Manhattan. I would highly recommend staying here for comfort and convenience. We definitely will stay there again. I arrived at the Lucerne without my suitcase after traveling for around 40 hours. The staff at the front desk could not have been more helpful and were happy to move me to a quiet room on request. They offered basic toiletries to replace those in my lost luggage. The room was very clean and comfortable. The Lucerne is close to Central Park, meters from the subway and only a few steps from all the restaurants on Amsterdam Street. As a honeymoon couple, we really enjoyed our stay in Lucerne Hotel. It's in walking distance to the metro station 79 Street of Train 1. Christ at the front desk helped us a lot when we first arrived. He gave me so much information on restaurants in the area and they are really good. Especially the Luke's lobster sandwiches great. He also gave us many useful tips about the city. And doormen are all smiling and polite. Hotel room is small but clean and nice. First of all, the hotel is quite old and a bit rundown for New York City standard. A Agoda site says the room size was about 170 square meters. That was way off the actual size. I would take off the 0. Yes, very much misquoted. If unintentionally. The pics show bathrobe, soft slips. None of that in the room I stayed. It did not even have a coffee maker, water kettle. The overall feel of the room reminds me of roadside motels in Midwest. Really, definitely not worth the high price tag. For our first stay in New York, this was a great hotel for its luxury, friendliness, closeness to good selection of restaurants and transport to central New York. The Lucerne was a great experience from start to finish. The staff was friendly, the location perfect, and the amenities very nice. Would love to stay here again. This is my favorite New York hotel. Staff is great. Rooms are lovely, especially the huge windows. You can actually sit in them and look out upon the New York scene. Everything was great. I have no idea what some earlier reviewers were yapping about. New York is expensive city, so rooms did not come cheaply, but they were worth it all the way, and so was service, location and free fast internet. Lucerne is located in Up West Side, close to Central Park. In weekend, you can see New Yorkers bring their kids to Central Park. Nice touch of local lifestyle. The hotel is very good. Staff helpful. Restaurant food delicious. Easy access to subway. It's a pleasant stay. Actually, we are in New York for an audition. This hotel was recommended by Manhattan School of Music. It's our first time to stay at this hotel. The hotel is located near the Manhattan School of Music. The room is very comfortable. It's clean, large and has the standard of international hotel. It has a friendly staff. This was the first visit to New York and I would not look for any alternative accommodation for any future visits. Some excellent little restaurants surround. It is out of the hustle of Times Square, yet a short taxi, subway trip away from all major Manhattan attractions. It is not a 5-star hotel, but should suffice most people for a fair value price. We thoroughly enjoyed our stay in the Lucerne Hotel in NYC. It was a great location, quiet and comfortable, close to where we wanted to be and convenient to transportation to get wherever we wanted to go. The rooms were lovely, clean and comfortable. The staff was friendly, helpful, and gracious. My friends and I will definitely stay with the Lucerne again.